in this video, I'll show you how to add subtitles in Premiere Pro 2023. So to get started, go ahead and open Adobe Premiere Pro on your device, or if you don't have that, you can go ahead and use Adobe Express as an alternative. So on Adobe Express, go ahead and sign in into your account. Now go ahead and select Caption Video under the services they offer. And once you click on this will pop on your screen. So you just need to drag and drop a video or upload the video into that area. Click on the video and click on OK, and that video will be uploaded into this section. So wait for the video to finish uploading, and once it is successfully uploaded, you can go ahead and find the tools you need to add subtitles at the right hand side of this pop-up. Go ahead and select the caption or subtitle style that you prefer to use with your video. So this will take up time to load, so you have a wide variety of selection to use as a caption or subtitle style on your video. Make sure to use the best one that fits your video and your style. So you can go ahead and watch how this captions will look like with your video and check if it's correct at the edit caption text section. So now you can go ahead and proceed on downloading the video or opening it on editor and editing the video further. That's basically how you can do that. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.